How to reset Citizens Bank of Edmond password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily reset your Citizens Bank of Edmond password. So first thing first, just head over to your any of your favorite browser and simply searching for mycitizens.bank/online, and which will take you to the homepage of the Citizens Bank of Edmond. And you can just tap on this hamburger icon if you are using on mobile, and if you are using on PC, you can just directly tap on the login button from the top of your navigation bar. And if you haven't enrolled already, you can always click on enroll now to register a new account. So once you tap on login, and if you remember your login ID but you forget your password for some reason, then you can just tap on this forget your password button or link right at the bottom right of your screen, and you can always click on or follow the on-screen instruction over here that says submit your username to reset your password. So make sure to check your login ID before submitting it and simply click on submit. And once you follow the on-screen instruction, it will provide you the option to reset your password, and before successfully resetting your password, it might send you a verification code onto your Gmail. So make sure to check that or register email address or phone number. And once you do all of that, just enter your previous login ID as well as your newly generated password and simply click on login to successfully log into your Citizens Bank of Edmond account. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.